How to slow down a video on your iPhone. There's a couple different things we've got to talk about. First is if you haven't shot your video yet and you want to make sure that you're able to slow it down. Here's what you have to do. Let's go into the Photos app. And this video here, I just shot a second ago, is at 60 frames per second, which means we can slow it down. The video looks normal speed now, but if we tap on this little filter icon down here, and then at the top, we will see this little speed dial. If we tap on that, we can choose 100% speed playback or 50%, which is 30. And the 100% is the 60 frames. So if we play this now, let me adjust this. I'll tell you what I'm doing in just a second. First, I want to show you the results. So if we play this now, we have my hand coming in, and then it goes to slow motion. And this period where the gaps are larger in these vertical lines, that's slow motion. And then on the right-hand side, it's regular motion. So we can adjust what we want to be in slow-mo. So maybe just this part needs to be in slow motion, not the whole video. So the hand's going fast and then slow. Then it comes back and it goes regular speed again. So that's what you can do if you have a 60 frame per second video. It's very similar if you recorded in slow-mo, which is what this video is done in. This is using the slow-mo option I showed you earlier. So the whole video is slow. Kind of painful to watch, so I'm not going to make you suffer through it. We have these same options down here. We can choose to have just a certain section be slow-mo. So this will be less painful if we start the video right there. In fact, it's still painful because we went from slow-mo over here to even slower-mo. Look how slow that is, but look how clean that is. It's not jumping around, it's not jittery, and that's because slow motion was recorded at 240 frames per second instead of 60, so you can slow it down a lot and have it still be a great looking video. But what if you didn't record at 60 frames and you didn't record in slow motion? There is still a way you can slow down videos, and that's using a free Apple app called iMovie. It's installed on most phones and iPads when you get them. I often delete it almost right away because I don't really use it, but you can easily get it again. It's just in the App Store. Just search for iMovie. Here it is right there on my phone. Let's open that. We have to give it permission to access our photo library. I'm just going to give it full access. Access to the music. Okay, great. No notifications. So now we can tap on movie. And here we can choose a movie. Got some soccer videos here. Let's just choose this one. And then tap on create movie. You can choose a whole bunch. You can choose all kinds of video segments to make a movie in iMovie. We're just going to choose that one segment right there. Tap on it or tap create movie. And now we can select the movie on the timeline down here. It's currently 14.2 seconds. It's important to note that when you slow-mo a movie or a section of a movie, the duration is going to get a lot longer. You probably knew that already. I just want to make sure we're on the same page. So when we tap the movie inside iMovie, down here we have another speed icon. Let's tap on that, and we can adjust the slider here to make it faster or slower. We can go all the way up to make it 7.1 seconds in length and all the way down to, how long is this? 1:53? That can't be right. That's crazy. But it's right. We went from just a handful of seconds to 1:53. Look how slow it is when it plays. See how it's kind of jumpy? Because the video was not recorded at that speed, so it's not as smooth as if you're recording it in slow motion. However, you can kind of adjust that a bit, make it a little bit faster. It's still slow-mo compared to the original, but it's less jumpy. So that's how you can adjust the entire movie to be slow motion. But what if you wanted just a segment to be slow motion? You can do that too. It's a little trickier though. You got to move the scrubber, which is this vertical white line, to where you want your slow motion to start, and then tap the scissor icon to split the clip. Then tap split. And now, I don't want to shorten that. I want to have another split right here. Tap on split. Didn't work, or it didn't register my tap. And now this middle section we want to have in slow motion. So now we just tap on the middle section, tap on the speed icon, slow this section down, and now just that section in the middle is slow motion. So when you play it, it's going to be regular speed. It's going to get to this. Don't mind that big black gap there. That's to show you what kind of transitions you have. Now this section's playing in slow motion, and then if we speed it up a little bit or move forward a little bit, we see it goes back to regular motion. And there's a bunch of different ways you can deal with slow motion on your phone or iPad. Hopefully one of these works for you. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which is all about adding any song you want as a ringtone to your phone. Check out that video, and I'll see you there.